Start to find out when those auctions are. Start to find out if they're an online auctions. Find out if you can buy them over the counter, which means liens that haven't sold, and you can get the full interest rate. So when you foreclose with a tax lien in that worst case scenario, like I mentioned, it's going to wipe out the mortgages. All right. So that is definitely one nice aspect of it. And then from there, you can go ahead, you can rent out the property, you can flip it quick. There's so many options to go ahead and do it. Now you can foreclose yourself, or you can hire an attorney to do it. It might cost you $1,000 to $2,000. There's a company called Tax Title Services that can also help with the process there of the foreclosure. But worry about that when the time comes. I see a lot of people get so worried about so many things that just don't matter in the beginning of like, oh, what if this happens? Do I need an LLC? What if I foreclose? How are the taxes going to work when I make money? You know what I mean? So worry about making the money first, and then worry about the taxes you have to pay. As far as somebody just starting out, depends on, to be fair, it depends on your net worth. Like if you have millions of dollars of assets in your personal name, which you shouldn't, you should definitely have an LLC to be buying these properties through. However, if you're like a sole proprietor, typical person, get started first, get making some money, and then you can set up the LLC after and start to move in that direction. Because I've just seen it so many times where folks get so caught up with the what do you call it? Get caught in the mud of like, oh, what should I name my LLC? Like, oh, Dustin, I want to do this, but I don't know what to name my LLC. It's there's so many things that keep folks from getting into this, when really you could go and start today. You can call the county. Some people watching this will literally buy a tax lien certificate by the end of the day and call themselves a real estate investor. So if you want some help getting your tax lien or deed business started, I give away our best-selling book, The ABCs of Tax Lien Deed Investing, for free. It walks you through everything. This is the best-selling book in the history of tax liens and deeds. Over 60,000 people have checked it out. So it's free down below in the description. From there, if you want some help getting this set up, you can go ahead and book a call with us below, and we'll build you a personalized four-step strategy for investing in tax liens, in deeds. Be very valuable, save you a bunch of years of trial and error. And then from there, at the end, we can chat about what it might look like to work together. If it's a fit, if not, no big deal.